Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace Toyota Camry windshield wipers. First, let's make sure you have everything you need. You'll want a small flathead screwdriver or a similar prying tool and your new wiper blades. It's important to have the correct size blades for your specific Camry, typically a 26-inch blade for the driver's side and a 19-inch blade for the passenger side. Having the right tools makes this a quick and easy job. Now let's get those old blades off. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. Be careful not to let it snap back down. Next, look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll see a small tab or button. Press this tab, then slide the old wiper blade straight down and off the hook on the arm. Repeat this for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time for the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests flat against the glass. You're almost done. Just repeat these steps for the other wiper blade. Once both new blades are installed, hop in your Camry and test them out. Use your windshield washer fluid to ensure they clear the glass effectively and smoothly. For optimal visibility and safety, it's a good practice to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or whenever you notice streaking or chattering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.